What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. As you can see, ZEERA was kind enough to send me out 3 cases for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we're going to unbox each and every one of these cases and try them on the device. So first, let's start off with this one. I don't know what it is really, so this is a clear MagSafe case. So it's just pretty much a clear case with MagSafe ring, and like I said, you know that I am a sucker for clear cases. So let's try it on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, like so. And this is the lip action that you're gonna get with this device. Case on the device, not too bad. Enough lip to where you place it flat down on the table, you will be good to go. On this side, you do get access to that power button. Nice and clicky, no problem. I like that. Coming to the bottom, access for your speakers and your USB-C charging port. And let's see if it's easy to charge the cable. Just like that. It's easy to plug into the cable. Now, you do get access to your button, which is not a button. That's a bummer. I wish they would have actually made it a button, but it's not. But you can still get your hand in there and use it if you needed to. Down here you do get your volume up and down button. Nice and clicky, no problem. Down here you get access to a lanyard if you're into that kind of thing. On the back here it just has your MagSafe ring. And you have a nice cutout for the camera, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you'll still be good to go. Now let's test out MagSafe, and it works just like that. So this was the clear case from ZEERA. I actually have this exact same case for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's just like a frosted clear case with the MagSafe kickstand ring. As you can see, you get that silver outline on the camera. This is going to keep your camera good and protected. And your buttons are actually silver, which is nice. You actually get a button for your action button. This case looks really good. Like I said, I have this exact same case for my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I love it. And this is what it'll look like on your titanium white iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's check out the buttons. Nice and clicky, feels good. Down here you get all your cutouts, and I'm sure you'll be able to stick your USB-C charging cable in there just like you did with the clear case. Over here you do get a nice lip, as you can see. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, should be good to go. Down here you do get, over here you do get your button for your action button, and I like that it's actually a button. You do get your volume up and down, nice and clicky. In the back you do get that MagSafe ring that also doubles as a kickstand, so if you want to watch your YouTube videos, you have access to that, or if you want to do some typing or whatever, you have access to that. Then you get that nice deep cutout for that camera. I like that. And if you place it flat on the table, you will be good to go. So now let's test out the wireless capability. MagSafe works just fine. So now let's go to the next case. This is like a clear black case. It has a lot of grip on the edges, grooves here. I don't know what, it has a lot of grooves, ridges here for grip protection. It does feel nice, and this is MagSafe capable also. So we're just going to place my iPhone 15 Pro Max in like so. Nice, you get a nice snug fit. You get a lot of lip protection, as you can see. So if you drop it flat down on the table, I know you're going to be good and protected. Like I said, you get ridges for grip protection. Get some lines up here for grip protection. Power button, nice and clicky. Down here you get your cutouts, as you can see. On this side you don't get a button for your action button. That's a bummer, but you are still able to use it if you need to. Volume up and down button, which has a plus and a minus, which feel nice, and they're nice clicky as well. Cut it over to the back. You get your MagSafe ring. You get a nice cutout for your camera. I also have a camera lens on there also for better protection. So if I place it flat down on the table, I will be good to go. Let's test out the MagSafe capability. And it is on point because this is a MagSafe capable case. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick up all 3 of these cases, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.